Hi creatives and welcome back to Agency Academy. Today I'm going to be talking about onboarding and how to use a little bit of onboarding and a tool that we created called Kayla to save yourselves weeks off of projects and enjoy work a lot more. Onboarding just means that you're essentially taking your clients through the process that you will be going through with them in your creative process. So talking about what you need from them, what they can expect from you, and the different deadlines and timelines that you have in mind for the project. Having all of those expectations set up front, it means that your clients know what to expect, they can be organized, they can get all of their content together on time, and it will make sure that you prevent any delays in the project, it prevents scope creep, and it makes your life so much easier. There are lots of ways to onboard your client. You can have a document for it, you can set up a board in Trello, but one of the biggest hurdles that I find in my own creative business when we talk about onboarding, it's making sure that you actually get all of the content that you need from your client and anyone else involved on time so that when you're doing each step of the process, you already have all that content that you need to create. So as an example, let's say that you're designing a brand and a website for a client. You might need the brief from the client, copy for the website from a copywriter, and maybe even product photography from a photographer. So in this case, you need to have everything on time so that when you're ready to start building the site, when you're ready to implement things, it's all ready for you to use. If you've been running a creative business for a while, you might have noticed that these different deadlines that you're setting for your clients, if you don't have a way to remind them properly or to enforce these deadlines somehow, it's really easy that, for example, website copy isn't done when the website is ready to implement, or their photo shoot took a little bit longer than expected, or perhaps they're changing up the brief or changing out team members who are all of a sudden not onboarded. So, we built a tool called Kayla to help with all of this content collection, because when people and clients know what to expect from the project and know what they are expected to do, they are much more likely to do it on time. My favorite way to use Kayla is to set everything up at the beginning of the project so that everything will arrive on time. So the first thing you need to do is you land on your project dashboard. Here you are going to set up the project. So we're going to click on the plus. We're going to add the project, so the client name and the description for what the project is. So for example, branding and websites. We can also add our team straight in here and then just click create. Once we have the project itself set up, we can create all the different requests. So here you can set up the request for the brief, the copy, the photography, die lines, anything else that you need. So just create one request per contributor. It's super easy to set up requests. You just click this little plus button and you can ask for what it is that you need. So like product photography. We can set a due date and we can ask how often we want the client to be reminded if they forget to send files. We can also leave a little message. And we can add in the person who is contributing. Once we have that, we just need to click create and the request is created. Once you've created it, you will see all your different requests in your project dashboard. So here you will see who is contributing, who is part of the project, and you can always add new team members to the project. As soon as files are submitted, you will get notified and you can go in and approve or reject them. That way everything is saved in one place and organized automatically for you. My favorite part of this is how you can actually set up different requests for different people so that they know what to expect from the project in the beginning and they know what their deadline is. You can also then invite people from your own team to access these different approved files at the point when they need them. Another great benefit that we were really adamant in putting in is that you'll be able to put any kind of file, because through so many of these different organizational project management systems, you'll have a project where perhaps you need to upload a 3D render or a Photoshop file, and all of a sudden it just doesn't work. It just becomes a strange link, or it's too big, or it doesn't work to upload. So because this is a program that's made for designers and for creatives in general, it actually takes all of your different file sizes and different file types. If you thought this sounds helpful, we have a 30-day free trial for Kayla, and you also only need one plan per company. So you can go check that out. I'm going to put the link in the description. And if you like more content on how to grow your business, how to organize it, I think you'd really like our series here on Agency Academy on project management. So I'm going to be putting that on the screen, and you can go check that out. So if you thought this was helpful, make sure to give us a like. If you have any questions about Kayla, if you want to schedule a free demo, or if there's anything else that we can help you with in your creative business, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel to get new videos. We post once a week on Agency Academy, so hit that notification bell, and good luck with your projects. I'll see you next time.